Using your Reseller Manager portal, you can view the campaigns inside any one of your client accounts. To do this, we just need to click on one of our clients, and you see at the bottom of the summary window are quick links. If we wish to view their campaigns, we can click on Campaigns over here. From here, we can see all the campaigns inside our reseller client's account. By default, their unsent campaigns will be shown. If you wish to view their sent campaigns, we can click on the button over here. Alternatively, if you wish to search for a certain campaign inside their account, you can click on the search icon and you can type something in here. Press enter to search. Okay, we can see our results are here. To clear a search, click on the search icon again, and now click on the X. If you wish to view a little more information about one of your client's campaigns, we have a preview button over here, which will render a full screen preview of their campaign. Alternatively, you can click on the trash can icon to delete a campaign from your client's account. Or, if you'd like to import one of your client's campaigns into your Reseller Manager account, we can click on this button here to copy a campaign to our account. When you're done viewing this window, we can click on the Close button, bottom right.